Hello everybody, it is Kim with Fairly Fiber Fun, and I invite you to join me on this earring fixing, finishing, updating vlog making. So I have a huge number of earrings that I made last year completely start to finish, put them on earring cards, and never got around to stiffening them, and they're a little on the floppy side. So I need to stiffen them. And I made some for me specifically, so I want to stiffen those. And then I know I started a bunch of pumpkins last year, pumpkin earrings that I never finished, so I want to get those done. And I've been making mushroom earrings, so I may as well get those done while I'm at it. And who knows what else is going to happen during this vlog. But the main idea is to finish up all the earrings that never got completely finished last year. So let's just jump right in and get started, shall we? All right, I have all of these earrings already made that are quite floppy, need to be stiffened. So that's what I'm going to work on today. I got to pull the backs off. Actually, it's easier just to do that. I need to put these in something here. Okay, so I have a bunch of earrings now on the display, and they are all done. They're all stiffened. I've got, let me turn that down just a little bit more, angle that down, there we go. I've got purple with white beads, purple with teal, purple with shimmery blue, purple with clear. I've got light purple. I don't know what color you would call that, but it's a very pale purple with dark purple beads, teal beads, and baby blue beads. And I actually did find more in that were not finished, that didn't have earring wires on them yet, so I had to finish those. This is kind of a fuchsia color with clear beads, baby blue beads, white beads, and dark purple. I've also been working on a few new things, so I've got some hearts I've been playing around with. These are the big red hearts. The big pink ones, I kept them for me. These are the little ones I made with smaller thread. The classic earrings, I've got some red with black beads, red with clear red beads, and with white beads. And then the white, I've got so many of the white base because that's what I started with, and that's what I had the most thread in, that color. Now up here at the top, I've got another pair of pink earrings. I didn't put any beads on these. I thought they were super cute as is, so I left them like that. And then here I've got a bunch of little mushrooms. So we've got the darker orange, the mossy green, the brighter orange, and pink. These were the first ones that I made. And then we've got pumpkins, and I actually had the centers done on these darker orange pumpkins, and I just needed the outer edge. So I've got the lighter mossy green, the dark brown, and a very dark deep green. And then I had 3 of the insides done on the bright orange, and I just got those stiffened last night. So we're going to put those on earring wires today. I got 2 more of the bright orange pumpkin mushrooms made, so I need to put those on cards. These are I just made this yesterday. These are my absolute favorite heart earring design. And all I did was add beads to the thread in 2 places. And then I hung a chain, and put the earring wire on the chain. This is mine. I have to make the pair to this. And then I had a little bit of leftover thread, so I made a black mushroom. So I gotta make the pair to that. Well guys, that is the end of this earring making vlog. I've got all the earrings done that I had hoped to finish up. I've made a few more earrings than I thought I would, and I've got them all neatly organized here on my earring holder display thing, and I've got most of them in the shop. So, and that's something that none of them were in the shop. My felted earrings were in the shop, but not the tatted earrings. So with the exception of the hearts, all of these are now available. I will be adding the hearts once I get a few more of those made. And yeah, I really appreciate you hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for giving me the little push I needed to get this task accomplished. And yeah, I'll keep you informed on what else I'm making as time goes on. Bye guys.